Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me these two files, and they're trying to power clip it, and it's causing them trouble to get to this point. So I didn't use power clip. I used Intersect. So I put his image kind of on top of the other one, and then I nudged it over equally. Now, if I break this apart and move it over here and go to Intersect, I get a weird something. So I don't know how he drew that shape, but one thing we can do, we can fill in that shape, and I'm going to try it two different ways. I am going to left click, right click, and then move that over, and then try to intersect that to see if there's a problem with whatever, and see it's gone. It worked. So if a shape doesn't work, he was trying power clip, but it's just not going to work. So instead of doing that, and you pretty much have to do it all 4 different times, one at a time. So I'm just going to do it with a blue box. Matter of fact, I could probably color all these in with blue while I got the smart fill there. Take this and intersect it, and then move that over. Get rid of my blue box, move this over, nudging it, select it all, go up to intersect, and you got that. Delete that box, move that over, select both items, intersect. Now, they might need a little bit of adjusting, but you can adjust them after the fact. If that's what he was wanting, I hope it was, and I hope it helped him. Then you could go back and, if everything wasn't perfect, you could see some brown down here, which is still left over from the background. You could still change it. You could move this up, move this up, take your time and get rid of some of that brown with the shape tool. Just select on that line and move it up. Take this, move it up, and it looks like it's thinner on the top, so we could try see if there's something else there. Make it a little bit bigger. You could do a lot with this, and and this is where we could change our nudge factor like 0.01, because that would help you in the center by grabbing that line and nudging it up just a little bit by little bit. Till you get rid of the brown. The other looks pretty good. I mean, there's a few spots on there that you could take, because I guess he drew these vectors around it, and he did a really good job. But I delete nodes, delete nodes, delete nodes, delete nodes, and then turn both these into a curve by selecting them both, right-click and turn them to a curve. And then you could get them individually and bring this one in, bring this one out. Just kind of play with it till you see no brown. Like I can start seeing brown, so I'm going to squeeze that one up. And just kind of go over the whole thing. It really looks pretty good. I mean, regardless of this or that. And you could move 4 nodes at a time. And, once you get it kind of where you want it, you could make it look a little more smoother with the smoothing tool. Just grab the smoothing tool. This is way too big, but see how you could smooth that out and make it look a lot better. And that looks like a shadow of the item. We might have, cut this off a little short. What I like about the Intersect tool is that you can change this look. And see, that way we got more of his hat. You could delete those nodes, bring that up, just kind of play around it. But, even to me, the parts that are thinner are like a shadow. So the only ones that would really be important are the ones that have square borders like this. So the shape tool, this one is, you could grab both these and then bring it up. You know, bring both these, get both the nodes and bring them up. You know, looks like it's a little bit to the left. And this had to do with either I nudged it too much when I was copying it, or I really don't understand the reason for this. Well, it's pretty clear. I don't know if he's going to print it. The same thing on the bottom, just take that and get rid of that brown. And, you know, grab your nodes and put it up there. I would delete all these nodes. Delete all these nodes because you still got a curvature. And then grab that node and use the handles. That right there already did it. And then do the same on the top. It's a pretty clear image. I hope that's what he was wanting, and thank you for watching.